purpose of the convictions and carry forward his missionary and visionary work.
So let us start our act. Firstly, I will invite Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar to address the people and give them to freedom and equality.
I want to fight for justice. I want to fight for freedom of our rights. So Muslims deserve a separate homeland, and British government should give us a freedom.
After this address, Mahatma Gandhi went Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar to talk and to share the point of view his for the Muslims and non-Muslim equal rights.
Hello, Mr. Gandhi. Please sit down.
Maulana Sahab, I want to some points. I want to talk at the moment, Khilafat movement. So I wish to all communities in India live together like a banquet of influence. Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, all are equal. What do you want?
Passionately but respectfully, Mr. Mahatma, I want to desire unity, but the Muslims have been truly equal.
Yes, I want to fight injustice through a non-violence. But you tell me, Maulana Sahab, when will separate the nations? What happened? Love increase or hatred?
Our education, and culture, political, and our political rights are being still suppressed.
Yes, very well, Maulana Sahab. Then let's come struggle together and for the nation of for united country India with justice. And you are my brother, you are my companion. Now at this time, we are differences, but not hearts are divided over.
We do not want separation, but we want to divide. So, Mr. Gandhi, there is no dignity in living together. There is no living apart. So, maybe you are disagreeing with me, but I know your intentions are pure. So, firstly, we fight for justice.
After this meeting, when Allama Iqbal heard that Mahatma Gandhi and Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar had a meeting, so Allama Muhammad Iqbal come to the Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar to share his point of view. So what did you discuss in the meeting you had with
I discussed about with Gandhi about our rights. Yes, we should fight for our rights, freedom from the British government. And Muslims and Hindus are separate homeland. Their tradition, culture, and customs, beliefs, systems are separate. So, firstly, we want freedom.
As you know, British arrested on the Muslims and still are doing. So my dream is that there should be a different state of Muslims in which they can live their life with their custom, traditions and culture.
Inshallah, we can achieve our purpose if we can work it passionately, vision and effort. So we will succeed. Thank you, Mr.
In Pakistan history, Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar is known as the backbone of in Pakistan history, the real hero of in our history. The Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar is the founder of Khilafat movement. Khilafat movement is not only romantic ideas; it is a realistic and convertic movements in our history. Under the leadership of Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar.
I would like to call Ramchand brother to share his point of view.
Mr. Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar was a great, versatile and genius personality who fought for justice and fought for freedom. And he always said to Muslims, have a vision. It is ability to see the invisible. If you can see the invisible, you can achieve the impossible. Thank you. Pakistan Zindabad.
I hope you learned so many things from this act.